All right, so here we're gonna continue talking about the section 8.5. So in this part, we'll be talking about the natural log. All right, so the natural log is also a log, but it has a different thing. Uh, so in this one, let's say if we have a log base e of x. All right, so if a log has base e, so whenever you see this thing, a log with a base e, so this one we can replace, this part we can replace by ln, or this is also called natural log. This ln is also called natural log. And this e right here, e is actually of some mathematicians called Euler introduced this thing e. Basically, this is a number. This is equivalent to 2.718 dot 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 dot. So this is a big number with the decimals, but you don't need to know this part. You just need to know e is a number. That's all you need to know. So whenever you see log of base e, you can replace that by ln. So this is also same as ln of x, or natural log of x. All right. So okay, so we will be using this idea later on. So let's say let me review one property I did in the last video. So as I said that if we have log base b of b to the power, or let's say whatever is there in the power, so this one is always going to give the value m, right? Because whatever there is in the power, that's the value, as long as these two are same. If these two are same, the value is the power. All right, so okay, so we will be using this idea to find the value of let's see. Okay, so let's see the value of 2 to the log base 2 of 4. So what is the value of this one? Without using calculator or anything, we need to find the value of this one. So for this one, the idea is this property right here. All right, so as long as if we can make these two numbers same, then the power will be our answer. So 4, we can also change this 4 to log base 2. So 4 we can say 2 to the power 2, right? So this way we have now these two numbers same. So then the answer is the power. So the answer, the power is 2. So 2. All right. Log base 4 of 16, or 64. So similarly, just like we did here, we can say log base 4, 64, we can change 64 to 4 to the power 3. So this way these two numbers are same, so the answer is the power 3. All right, so it's just that we need to know the property, and we can apply property of the log. Okay, so then what about the value of natural log of e to the power 4? All right, so now we are introducing ln, or natural log. And as I said here, the natural log ln means this thing, right? We can replace ln by log base 3. So we can replace here this ln by log base e, and we still have this e to the power 4, e to the power 4. So that way we will get So since, well, the property back here using this property, if we have these two same, the answer is the power. So we have E and E, so that's why the answer is 4. All right. What about the value of log base 3 to the power 1 over 27? All right, this could be slightly challenging. Okay, so in here, since we have a fraction, so fraction, let me do it here. So the fraction 1 over 27, we can also say 1 over 27 is also 3 to the power 3, right? And we can move this terms in the denominator, 3 to the power 3, to the numerator. To the numerator, but whenever we move from denominator to numerator, the power, it's going to change to the negative. All right. So the reason we want to do that is we want to make this number and this number same, right? So then we will get log base 3. So 1 over 27 we just got here, 3 to the power negative 3. So that's why, well, since, well, here we have these two same, 3 and 3, so that's why the answer is negative 3. Clear? Okay, so log base 4 of negative 1 over 64. What is the value of this one? What do you think? So here, a log of, since we have log of negative, so we have this negative inside the parenthesis, right? So whenever we take the log of a negative number, this is not possible. This is always undefined. All right, so just be careful with these kind of things, because you guys can make mistakes on this thing easily. So I would know whether you guys are watching this video or not when I ask you guys something like this. All right, so yeah, these are important things you need to know for the exam. All right, so I will be talking about the log things more on the next video, but this is it for this one. Thank you.